Hello, welcome in Sofia. We're here with Dekalin today for the first time in Sofia, Bulgaria. We have a new flyer for you guys, all in Bulgarian. So all of our Bulgarian fans and customers, please be welcome to come by, get a flyer, and come by to check out our products here. If you would like, over here, we have our products as we've also seen in a video prior. So we have up here for cleaning everything that we clean before we use our other products to either glue and adhere and or seal something. So here in the orange section, it's for adhesion and sealing. So for solar models, for antennas, all these kind of things. For grouts, we can use all these different products that vary from different strengths and different other properties, like our MS7, which is transparent and very interesting to see, and also here our MS6, which is highly flexible, as we can see, which is perfect for applications on top of the alcove grout, where the vibrations and everything are very strong. Everything that we mechanically fix here is in our sealing area, so anything that is screwed or anything of the sort. For example, the windows here on the outside of the Caravan, we just seal with the product, and as you can see here, the product stays very elastic and it can be removed with oneself. So everything that stands over, we just make a small little section with like a credit card or something to separate these two, and then we can just use a little ball of the product itself for very clean, beautiful edges, as we can see, and the product stays as such. If you would like, over here we have one more. We made this many years ago, and as you can see, the product still stays very elastic and very sticky after many years, which also would help you in case of breaking something. We've all had this situation before. We break a light, for example, you would like to remove it, you just remove the screws and you can take it out and then replace it with a new one, and you use the same product again. Here in purple is our underbody protection and our Pro Wax, which is a corrosion protection. So the corrosion protection here comes with this beautiful long applicator that you just place on the top here. You replace it with this, you place this, and then in all of the chassis and motorcycles and antique cars, everything that you do not want to rust, you just insert this, you start pressing, and you remove it as you continue to press, and we have this beautiful application which is also temperature resistant to 180 degrees Celsius. So even for motorcycles, antique cars, it's a beautiful option. Underbody protection, also very important to protect our underbodies. It does not matter which material your underbody is made from, it always needs protection. So we have one which can be applied either with air pressure or with a paintbrush, and the other one has the same applicator as we saw. It's like hairspray, basically, just to apply and be safe with there. Then again, we can go a little bit into the whole accident area. We all know our camper vans are big. Sometimes you don't see something and there's a small problem with, for example, our bumpers. And we have this small pistol with our Dekalin 2K90, which is a beautiful product for you to apply. For example, if we have a tear in the bumper, you do not want to replace the whole bumper, so you just place this product on the inside and the outside of this crack. Everything, of course, is cleaned before. From the inside, a glass fiber mat you push against, and you place this there. From the outside, you place more of the glue. It's a two-component situation, a two-component resin. And then after 30 minutes, you can even file it down and place some new lac over it, and it will be completely invisible, and it will save you a lot of money and a lot of time and hassle. Here we can see our MS5, that is again in the orange product area, and we can see that even in its hardened state, we can see the elasticity of the product. So this is the product we choose for solar models, for sat modules, all those kind of things is done with this. It holds 28 kilograms on 1 square centimeter of area. So this is our perfect product for this, and here is the demonstration of the underbody protection we just spoke about. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's smooth, it protects and it hardens such as that, just either in spray application or with a small paintbrush. Thank you so much for visiting us. Welcome in Sofia. We're still here today and tomorrow. Please welcome. Come by. We're happy to see you. Have a lovely day.